Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing Ehlers Super Band Pass filter. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing Ehlers Super Band Pass filter. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 20 different strategies with a total of 4 winners. We have also tested 359 indicators with a total of 145 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 145 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is Ehlers Super Band Pass filter. We've played around with a few of Ehlers indicators. All of them, or most of them anyways, have been designed by Cheat Country, which is the TradingView user. And like most of his indicators, it also changes the color of the candles or the bar color. We know that some viewers are not a fan of that, including myself, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off that. Other than that, I've kept everything else here the same. Now you can see that there is basically a 0 line here, and you can see that there is the excuse me, the band pass line, I believe it is, the oscillating line here. As it drops below the 0, it turns red. As it goes up above or climbs above the 0, it is green. And so that changes the color of the oscillating line itself. Well, then you have these two bands that act kind of like, think of them almost like a Bollinger Band. They're expanding and contracting with the momentum of the market. And so how we're going to use these two together is as the oscillating line is climbing and comes up above the upper band, we are going to go long as soon as it breaks above this upper band. So it's green, breaks above the upper band, and that is a long. On the reverse side, pretty simple, basically same thing in reverse or opposite. It is going to be red, so the oscillating line is red. It is traveling downwards, and as it breaks below this lower band, we are going to go short. And so not a whole lot to it other than that. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. I'm actually going to play it like that. Looks like we might not get a ton of signals out of this one. Looks like we pick up the first one. So the upper band is at 0.14, and we don't get a break of that until right there. And looks like we're gonna get stopped out on this one. Let's just double check. Yep, came down to about 170 there, so definitely got us stopped out. Let's go ahead and continue on here. So we then break through to the bottom side over here, right about there on that one. Again, let's measure this out just to see. There to there, 90. Yep, squeezes out the take profit ever so lightly right before we get a massive pullback there on that side. So that was pretty darn close. Now, before we continue on here, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, you will get access to the Patreon only channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information, discussions about indicators and trading philosophy, just a lot of really good discussion, advanced stuff happening there. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms, and so if you use the MT platforms quite a bit rather than TradingView, that's a list that could be extremely valuable for you to have. Our admins and regular members are also posting almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are posting screenshots of charts where they've marked out support and resistance and indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering and exiting and taking profit, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're posting in there for everyone to see. Again, it's wonderful stuff. If you're trying to dial in a trading strategy or just train your eye to see those idle market conditions, again, highly recommend that you check that stuff out. And then one last thing that we've been doing as well is I've put together a Excel sheet of the strategies that we have tested, and so that I am also passing on to all of the patrons with the entire list of all the indicators that we've tested, which shows exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, their win rate, the whole deal. Same thing with the strategy. It shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, along with their win rates and stuff. And so again, really great stuff. I highly recommend it. So back to the indicator here. Let's go ahead and play it forward a little bit more. All right, so we get another break to the downside here. Let's see, so that one is right there on that one. We unfortunately barely missed the take profit on that one. It was close, but didn't quite get us there. Then we break up above right there on that one. We get an almost immediate pullback right there, pretty heavy pullback. That's going to stop us out on that one. Then over here on this side, we pick up a long right there. Looks like this one might squeeze out take profit. Let's double check. Yep. Actually, let me double check that one more time. We are here. Short. Ooh, it is close. Let's check the downside here. So where's our stop? Yeah, 105. That's what I thought. So yeah, we stayed within our stop. We didn't hit it right here on this first leg up, but then it drops down right here, then continues back up. We didn't get stopped out here. We stayed in, and so that one did eventually get us to take profit. Continue here a little bit more. Let's just double check here because we would have been in take profit over here as it came up and broke out right here on this one, which would have given us another entry right as we would have closed out that trade right there. This one here, though, on this side, looks like we got stopped out. What were we at on our stop again? No, we just looked at it. Probably should know this. Yeah, 105. Yeah, we barely get stopped out on that one as well. Looks like that's gonna do it for the end of the year. Let's see. Yep, it does. So that puts us at the end of the year right there. Let's see everything in focus here. There we go. So that is pretty well explanatory on itself right there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 trades altogether, with 2 of those being winners. So that's not going to meet the 60% criteria. I hate to say it, but these Ehlers indicators really in general do not do great. I think we've ran across 1 or 2 of them that did all right, but for the most part, they just seem to yeah, just not be as wonderful as I would expect them to be. So this is another one that's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.